This one plumbing shortcut will cost you $5 grand. Some builders run the minimum number of return jets to save on labor. 2 returns in a 20,000-gallon pool. That is a dead zone factory. Poor circulation means uneven chemical distribution. Algae blooms in corners. And your pump working overtime to compensate. You need 1 return jet for every 5,000 gallons minimum positioned to create circular flow. And here's the insider move: ask for floor returns, not just wall returns. They push debris toward the main drain instead of letting it settle. Better circulation means less chemical use, cleaner water, and equipment that lasts years longer.